Writing a marketing plan. Before writing a marketing plan, it is necessary to consider about what makes businesses succeed or fail, which based on key factors as follows. 1. Product is what customers buy or consume. 2. Customer. Businesses need to answer the question, who is a target customer, and then have to define target customer clearly. 3. Branding is a factor that must be created in order to get customer recognition, acceptance, trust, and credibility. 4. Pricing on any level needs to be consistent with the product or service, customer, and brand. Steps of writing a marketing plan. Stage 1. Executive summary and contents of a marketing plan. Write a summary of 2 to 3 pages about business history and describe the marketing plan, the product or service, the target market, the sales volume, the expected profit, and the competitor, as well as the marketing mix and marketing strategy. Stage 2. Analysis of current marketing situation. Before analyzing the marketing situation, business information should be collected from business strategy to be used as a conceptual framework and approach strategies and marketing goals, as well as marketing activities such as 1. Vision is an overview of the business in the future which based on a current situation of the business, as the proverb, dream of faraway places and get there, and be able to answer these questions. What are we going to be? Where shall we go? When will we achieve success? Example, the vision of Ampan Publishing Company Limited. The center of creating quality learning media in Thailand eternally. 2. Mission is a work that has to be done to achieve the vision of the business. It explains the possibility of the business/project, which covers main questions as follows. Example, the mission of the Ampan Publishing Company Limited is to 1. Provide textbooks and modern knowledge to the students, people, and society with the highest quality learning in Thailand. 2. Develop learning materials into the center and a network of knowledge/wisdom with all forms of technology to Thai people nationwide. What are products and services? How will business be done? Who are customers? Why do we need to achieve the vision? Objectives and goal. 3. Objectives is the indicator of success of the business. It determines the short-term outline or direction which might not need to specify at time period. Goal is the determination of the expected results from the mission of the business. It is divided into a short-term goal, 1 year, a medium-term goal, 3 to 5 years, and a long-term goal, 5 years, which should be consistent and measured, and it could specify a completed date clearly as follows. S. Specific. Has to be clearly specific which success will be measured. M. Measurable. Has to be able to count or measure items by units or groups. C. Controllable. Has to be controllable. R. Realistic. Has to be possible that the goal will actually be achieved. T. Tangible. Has to be a number that indicates the benefits in terms of economic value or economy. Example, the goal of Ampan Publishing Company Limited. 1. Generate sales of 1,000 million baht per year. 2. Profit margin increases by 20% per year. Current marketing situation analysis is the presentation of background information of various things as follows. 1. Market situation as a presentation of the target market, size, and market growth. It also demonstrates past figures of those marketing information and contains information about customer needs, perception, and potential purchasing behavior. 2. Product situation is a presentation of sales volume in the past, also includes pricing, margins, and net profit. 3. Competitive situation identifies the major direct and indirect competitor, competitor size, target market, market share, strengths and weaknesses, product quality, marketing strategy, and competitors' behavior. 4. Distribution situation shows the information about distribution channel size and the importance of each distribution channel. 5. Macro environmental situation describes general trends such as demographics, economics, technology, politics, law, and society and culture, which is considered as the opportunities and threats for creating marketing strategy. Swot analysis is the identification of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that affect the product. 1. Strengths are the benefits from internal environmental factors such as strengths of marketing mix, finance, production, personnel, administration, and organization. 2. Weaknesses are disadvantages caused by the internal environmental factors, which will have to find solutions. Vocabulary: products and services, price, distribution channel, marketing promotion, financial status, management, staff management, product research and development, other. Internal factors: strengths, weaknesses. 3. Opportunities are advantages analyzed from the external environment, which business is searching for the opportunities to define marketing strategy that suits the environment, including microenvironment, customer, competitors, manufacturers, traders, and macroenvironment, population, economics, technology, society, culture, politics, law, natural resources. 4. Threats are problem caused by the external environment, which needs to define a marketing strategy to conform and solve those problems. Vocabulary: economy, culture and society, consumer attitudes and values, law and politics, technology, other. External factors, opportunities, threats. Example of the analysis of the internal and external environment. Strengths: 1. Product price is low. 2. A line of business is classified by the structure of business. 3. The business has sufficient capital. 4. Brand and product are widely accepted. Weaknesses: 1. Distribution channels are not fully covered all the area. 2. Marketing promotion is insufficient. Opportunities: 1. Customers have more buying power because it is cheaper than other companies. 2. Government supports the budget of free education policy. Threats: 1. Regulations on government purchasing have too many steps. 2. Teachers do not have the power to purchase directly in some institutions. Stage 3. Marketing objectives. Marketing objectives refers to setting a goal of a marketing plan. It can be divided into 2 types. 1. Financial objectives such as 25% return on investment from target market, expected net profit of $5 million in 2013, BE 2556, and so on. 2. Marketing objective such as sales objective, competitive positioning, creating brand recognition from 20% to 30%, etc. A good marketing objective should have characteristics as follows. 1. Specific. Be focused on a particular goal. 2. Measurable. Can be measured in the quantitative numbers. 3. Time. Be clear when the objective will be achieved, such as within a year or 6 months, etc. Stage 4. Marketing strategy. 1. Segmentation are generally segmented in the following 4 characteristics. 1. Geographic segmentation, such as country, state, district, province, local, or village. 2. demographic segmentation, such as age, gender, size, family, income, education, occupation, family life cycle, religion, race. 3. Psychological segmentation, such as a form of living, a social status, high, medium, low. 4. Behavioral segmentation by using the criteria of knowledge, attitude, loyalty, the use of products or respond to product features, or the opportunity to purchase a product. 2. Target market refers to a group of customers who have similar needs, taste of purchasing, and using products and services. Target market is resulting from market segmentation by using the same consumer characteristics and generating sales with the lowest cost by considering the following. 1. Focus on buyer group from demographic and geographic factors and benefits that consumers will get from using and purchasing of products or services. 2. Compare the current target market with buyers' characteristics. It is necessary to compare customer characteristics with the characteristic of buyers in the market to see the difference. For instance, the main target customers of the restaurant is an elderly group, whereas in other restaurants, most customers are young working age with a high growth market potential. Therefore, it might consider adjusting the target to comply with the current situation. It is important to explain the details of the target clearly before preparing to expand the market to reach potential buyers in each product category. But the business has to make sure that they fully meet the buyers or existing customers' needs, because existing customers are business survival and help increase future sales, and can be a reference group to create the new customers. 3. Target regular users or buyers. From the analysis of target market on a target group who buys or uses products, services from many types of products on a regular basis, the study found that 2/3 of products are purchased or used by 1/3 of all consumers or less, which called heavy use groups, such as 65% of canned vegetable sales are generated by 35% of canned vegetables consumers from all consumer. 3. Positioning strategy refers to the creation of the business image in potential customers' minds by building product awareness when compared to competitors. The purpose of product positioning is to define a brand, advertising and marketing promotion, personal selling, point of sale, and public relations. 4. Marketing mix. Key product. Product means tangible objects such as consumer products, industrial products, and intangible products. Key price. Pricing has to be appropriated price, which means that it has to be high enough to cover costs and make profit, but it must be low enough to generate sales and meet different needs. Pricing is the reflection of the product positioning. Key promotion. Promotion is a tool that used to increase sales in a short period. Promotion plan has to be strategic and creative, as well as considering the budget cost and time appropriately. Key place. The selection and distribution product or product management is a way to convey product information and promotional activities without passing through advertising. This could be a message about the company, personal selling, flyers, brochures, video presentations, product placement, organized shelves, as well as other tools that represent product features, product positioning, prices, and marketing activities, not through advertising media directly. Stage 5. Marketing plan, budget, and calendar. 1. Setting marketing budget. All budgets must be considered whether it is adequate or not. Therefore, marketing activities should be prioritized and include the expenses and costs incurred for developing marketing budget. I can proceed as follows. 1.1. Setting budget by percentage of sales is the method that reviews the budget spent on advertising, marketing promotion, and other marketing activities, and takes a percentage of those costs and allocates a percentage of the overall cost. Normally, it might consider past cost with industrial product cost, which is collected from the various departments, such as advertising cost or buying media of the same products. 1.2. Setting budget by marketing activities is the method that sets a budget to match their marketing activities by allocating the budget to support marketing mix adequately and marketing plan from estimating the costs of activities and considering the sale consistently. 1.3. Setting budget by competitive parity is a method that estimates or find information about competitors to see how business will compete with competitor, so the business can respond competitor promptly. However, it is difficult to estimate the costs of competitor, and the budget may ignore the real potential of the business. 2. Payback analysis refers to the analysis of sales and short and long-term costs to see the return rate of the first year and the next year. Payback analysis and return on investment can be done by the following methods. 2.1. Contribution to fixed cost payback analysis is a method that company will use the contribution margin compared to fixed costs, which focus on sales and marketing costs compared to sales. This method is calculated from estimating gross sales and then subtract cost of products sold to derive a gross profit on sales. Next, product fixed costs and all variable costs, such as sales and advertising costs, are subtracted to get a contribution to fixed cost figure. 2.2. Gross margin to net sales payback analysis is the method that the analysis of gross profit needs to cover the cost of advertising and promotion. If there is 40% gross margin, it would cover advertising and production costs, as well as profit. Therefore, any profit or loss will be under a considered number. Payback analysis table, compared with sales of new consumer products. Assumption: the market size of the product is 100 million baht, with a growth rate of 10% per year. There are 3 competing brands in the category and miscellaneous labels. Introduction of new product at an expected margin of 40%. Sales: gross profit 40%, less marketing promotion cost, less advertising cost, profit, loss. As can be seen from the table, that if the gross profit of new products is compared with sales over the past 3 years to determine the short-term and long-term profits, the new products are estimated to pay back within 3 years. 3. Operating schedule or operation calendar. 3.1. Heading means product's name, services, business's name, date, time, and market area. 3.2. Summary of weekly or monthly marketing programs as well as the marketing tools and other marketing activities. 3.3. Advertising media used on weekly or monthly. 3.4. Marketing calendar can be different depending on a market area or a market testing that would differ from actual market operations table. Therefore, setting marketing budget, analyzing return on investment, and defining marketing calendar mean implementation of various defined plans to achieve marketing goals. Operating schedule: product's name / company's name / business's name. Activity: objective, marketing strategy / method, budget, agenda, person in charge. Stage 6, evaluation. It is necessary to analyze current sales compared with sales in the past that have been done before or during or after performed marketing operation. And the business also has to follow sales trends closely while performing marketing operation in order to modify the marketing tools instantly. Evaluation of marketing operation should be implemented as follows. 1. Research should be done before and after the operation. Although sales figures are important indicators of success in any market. However, the evaluation could be done based on other factors, such as awareness that occurs as well as different attitudes of the consumers and product or service goal. If the results come out positive, it will result in increased purchases. 2. Considering the growth rate of increased sales, which each business can consider the information from different activities. For example, the manufacturer will keep the number of units produced and sold. The store will collect information from the number of products sold, and service business will keep the number of customers who use the service. This evaluation method will use the results of the comparison between two markets. Test market is the market that uses the marketing activities as specified in the plan, and control market will conduct marketing activities for normal operation. If the control market is not specified, the test market may be used to compare with the national market or other markets. The steps are as follows. Step 1. Before operation, analyze the basic sales trends. Step 2. During operation, marketing program require a strong sales data analysis for appropriately performing. Step 3. After operation, follow the numbers to determine sales trends immediately. Step 4. Perform analysis based on the difference of the results of both before and after sales. Vocabulary. Element, noun. Differentiation, noun. Recognition, noun. Credibility, noun. Determine, verb. Consistent, adjective. Tangible, adjective. Aspect, noun. Perception, noun. Demographic, adjective. Threat, noun. Adequate, adjective. Yield, verb. Contribution, noun. Gross profit, noun.